Today's lesson we'll be talking about page layout and Microsoft Word, and on the page layout we'll be talking about page orientation. Now, talking about page orientation, Microsoft Word offers two page orientations options. The first one is landscape and the second one is portrait. Now, landscape means the page is oriented horizontally, while portrait means that the page is oriented vertically. Now, to change the page orientation, first of all, you select the layout tab and locate the layout tab here, and we click on it. And when we click on our layout tab, we click on our orientation, and when we click on orientation, you select, so by default our page size is the page size of a new document is usually 8.5 inches by 11 inches. So depending on your project, and by default also Microsoft page layout is usually on portrait. Now you can change to landscape if you wish. It's now on landscape. You can go back and change to portrait if you still wish, and change as you want. Now on the same note, you can, now that's that for page orientation, where I said either you can change to landscape or portrait. Now talking about page size, now by default, just like I mentioned, by default the page size of a new document is usually 8.5 inches by 11 inches. Now depending on your project, you may need to adjust your project size, your document page size, so rather. Now to change your page size, first of all, still on the layout tab, now you click on size. Now when you click on size, depending on the type of document, the project document you're working on. If you're working on a logo document, you can go with logo. If it's tabloid, statement, executive, BS, B4, A5, A4, A3, and there are even more paper sizes. So there's countless of them here you can choose from. And if they are both already pre-existing options are not suitable for a document, you can still click on custom size and you can adjust to suit your required project size that you're looking for. So that is that for page size. Now the next thing we're going to talk about under page layout is what we call page margin. Now when we talk about page margin, we can say a margin is the space between the text and the edge of a document. Now by default, a new document margin are set to normal, which means it has one each space between the text and each edge. Depending on your need, Word allows you to change your document's margin size. To format page margin, Word has a variety of predefined margin size to choose from. Now you select the layout tab and then click on the margins command. Now to format page margin, so like I said earlier, margin is just like this space. When we talk about margin, it's just that space between your text and the edge of a document, so it's just what we call margin. Now how do we even format? First of all, we select the layout as usual. We click on margin. On the margin, we can click on our predefined margin size. We click on any predefined margin size that we want, and if all this is not suitable for us, we can click on custom margin and we can edit how we want and click OK, and everything changes. Now that is that for page layout.